Okay, so question number 7. What is the freezing point of an ethanol solution that boils at 80 degrees Celsius? And then they just have the data for ethanol. Kf is 1.99 degrees Celsius over molality. Tf is negative 117.3 degrees Celsius. Kb is 1.22 degrees Celsius over molality. And Tb is 78.4 degrees Celsius. Okay, so let's write down everything that we know. We know the Kf value. We also know the freezing point of the pure solution. Kb and the boiling point of the pure solvent. So step 1 is to find the molality, which is M. So first let's recall the boiling point evaluation equation. Or boiling point, elevation. Which is equal to delta Tb is equal to Kb times M, which is molality. So delta Tb can also be broken down to the boiling point of your solution minus the boiling point of your pure solvent. So we know from the question that it boils at 80 degrees Celsius. So the solution boils at 80 degrees Celsius. And we know that the pure solvent boils at 78.4 degrees Celsius. We know our Kb value is 1.22 degrees Celsius over M. And then we just need to solve for this molality. So if we do the math, you end up getting 1.31 M. Okay, so now for step 2, I'm just going to write the equation for freezing point depression. So similar to the boiling point elevation, it's going to be delta Tf is equal to Kf times molality. And again, delta Tf can be broken down to the freezing point of your pure solution minus the freezing point of your solution. And this is equal to Kf times m. So we know the freezing point of our pure solvent is negative 117.3. And we're trying to solve for our freezing point of solution. We know our Kf value is 1.99 degrees Celsius over m. And we found m in the previous step to be 1.31. So now, if we just solve for the unknown, we get a freezing point of the ethanol solution to be equal to negative 119.91. Okay, so now let's see what the junior tutor said. Consider the following equations: the boiling point elevation and the freezing point depression. And then they define what each of the variables mean. Okay, so that's helpful. And then given the boiling point of the solution, we can find the, I think they mean molality of the solute, morality. And they got 1.31 meter. Molality. Now they use the freezing point depression equation to solve for the freezing point of solution, and also got negative 119.91 degrees Celsius. So this solution is correct.